My brothers, my sisters, the challenges that you face in life, they are part of Allah's plan. He throws these curveballs at you in order to see how you react. Do you react with Alhamdulillah? Do you react by saying it could have been worse? Your leg broke. Thank Allah the other leg is not broken. But who is going to do that? You need to have faith. That brother made a major car accident. He came out and said, you know what? My car is a write-off. My car is written off. Look at this. Look at what happened. I lost so much of money. I said, brother, thank Allah. Say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. You know what? Your car is gone. Look at you. You came out without a scratch, man. Have you thought of that? No scratches. But because your car is gone and you didn't go, you didn't think about you not going. You thought about your car. But had you had a problem, your car was irrelevant. You say, oh Allah, you took away my leg. Forget about the car. My leg is gone. Right? Look at the categories of loss that we go through, but we don't realize it could have been worse. So a believer is taught every single time something happens to you negative, you must say it could have been worse. That's when you will thank Allah. It could have been worse. You missed a flight. Let me give you a true story. Ethiopian Airlines, some time back, the plane crashed. When the plane crashed, guess what? Go and read. It's online. A few of the guys, do you know, I was at the airport at the time. I was at the airport in Addis Ababa at the time it happened. And the flight that actually crashed took off just before us. We saw it going. I even met people and have photos with them who were on that flight. And there was a brother who came running to the gate when they just closed it. How's that? And he, in a fit of rage and anger, no, I made it, I'm here, you need to open. No one knew what's going to come. No one knew what's going to come. Did you know? My man, take it in your stride. Take it in your stride. Say, Alhamdulillah, I missed this flight, and walk away. It's going to be inconvenient. You're going to have to pay to change. You're going to have to, but just say Alhamdulillah. You've got the money to change it. Don't worry, the world can wait. You can wait another day. Big deal. Big deal. It's okay. Say Alhamdulillah.